आना पड़ा मुझे वापस आना पड़ा अपने लोगों के लिए, 6 लिसनर्स के लिए। जो कुछ भी हो रहा है वो सब कुछ पहले हो चुका है और होता रहेगा। बिगनिंग इज द एंड इज द बिगनिंग। और जैसा कि आप सबको पता है कि लॉकडाउन एक्सटेंड हो गया है और हम सबकी जिंदगी खराब हो चुकी है।
तुम्ही ने मेरी जिंदगी खराब की है।
यो बियाच, व्हाट इज अप? दिस इज सचिन। मैंने कुछ दिन पहले अपने पॉडकास्ट डिलीट करने की इंस्टाग्राम पे स्टोरी डाली थी और काफी लोगों ने मुझे मैसेज किए, ये क्या बकचोदी है, भोसड़ी की जल्दी आ, व्हाट हैपेंड? सॉरी, काफी लोगों ने नहीं, 2 ही लोगों ने किए थे। सो टुडे आई एम बैक विद दिस बोरिंग एपिसोड बिकॉज दिस इज व्हाट वाज सपोज्ड टू हैपन। माय पॉडकास्ट हैड टू बी डिलीटेड एंड आई हैड टू कम बैक। दिस ऑल हैज हैपेंड एंड विल हैपन इन अ नेवर एंडिंग लूप। नाउ सम ऑफ यू मस्ट बी थिंकिंग टू पॉज और स्टॉप दिस एपिसोड सेइंग अंग्रेजी क्यों झाड़ रहा है? सो आई हैव टू टेल यू दिस वॉज ऑल्सो सपोज टू हैपन। एवरी सिंगल थिंग यू से और डू वॉज सपोज टू हैपन द वे यू आर डूइंग देम राइट नाउ। टुडेज टॉपिक इज व्हाट आई हैव बीन बिलीविंग सिंस नॉट many years but 4 years, predestination. What I have unlearned after being in uncertainty almost for 7 to 8 years, that every possible good or worst thing will happen. If you are ready or not doesn't matter. It has to happen and it will. You have to find peace within yourself first, not in the people, not in the acceptance or not in the rejection of anybody or anything, not on any social media. Well, you can look for motivation on social media if it really motivates you. So first things first, follow your fucking heart. Yes, by my experience I can tell you, just follow your heart and start doing what you really want to do instead of thinking what if. Fuck what if from your life. Just extract it from your mouth and burn it alive. Well, I'm not saying that don't think about the consequences. Of course, think about the decisions you are making will ultimately going to have some consequences. Well, what decisions don't have consequences? Every single thing you do in your life has the effect of your action. I will simply put this thing by giving you an example. You use Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Snapchat, for that matter Tinder, YouTube or any fucking social media till late night and sleep in the morning around 3 or 4. And what is coming your way in the morning is you will not be able to get up early. Or by any chance if you able to get up early, let's say around 8, then your whole day goes in feeling dizzy and need to sleep. Well, not sleeping at night was the decision you took, and feeling dizzy the whole day is the consequence you have to face. Exactly like this, face the consequences of the decisions you are making and you will feel things getting changed. Not suddenly, but it will take some time. What I wanted to tell through making this podcast is you cannot change what is going to happen. But if you are just going to sit there and complain about things not happening instead of doing something about them, then your life will be in a loop. Trust me, some of you might have never noticed, but when you don't make decisions about your life because of the fear of consequences, then the same things happen again and again in a never-ending loop. You are the one making this loop and you are the one who can break this loop by taking decisions which fear you instead of just sitting there and waiting for the magic to happen. You are the magic. Everything works out the way you want them to be, only if you take decisions of your life. Now the choice you have to make is you want to take a planned decision or just take a decision and do nothing about it. Come on, this is 2020. You cannot find any excuse, or if you by any chance able to find one, then sorry man, start thinking. Enough for today. आज के लिए इतना ही. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram handles Yo Biaj Podcast and I Sachin Singh. Wait for my next episode. तब तक के लिए bye bye, दास विजानी, अलविदा and stay safe.